Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Bolt adding music producer to his repertoire. Budding entrepreneur Usain Bolt today released his new dancehall rhythm dubbed the Olympe Rose rhythm. Named after Bolt's own signature champagne, Usain Bolt Olympe Rose, the rhythm features tracks from popular dancehall artists Dexter Daps, Munga Honorable Ding Dong, and Chris Martin. The 5-track compilation also features retired Jamaican footballer Ricardo Bibi Gardner, who, like Bolt, has ventured into the world of music. The Olympe Rose rhythm launch was held last night at the Usain Bolt Tracks and Records Sports Bar in Kingston. According to a press release, the rhythm is a tribute to Bolt's entry into the world's luxury alcoholic space in collaboration with French alcoholic beverage company Pernod Ricard under its GH Mum brand. Bolt is appointed Chief Entertainment Officer of GH Mum in 2016. Known for his strong entrepreneurial spirit, Bolt has also ventured into the business process outsourcing BPO industry, with a major BPO center currently under construction in Kingston, Jamaica, and is also in the transportation sector with Bolt Mobility, a brand of personal electric scooter launched in March of this year. Now, Lila Ike and Savannah making musical moves. Breakout artists Savannah and Lila Ike are making major musical moves in the U.S. East Coast with their Grammy-nominated leader reggae artist Protege. The Indignation artists are actively growing their U.S. fan base, performing at premier events including Brick Celebrate Brooklyn, one of New York City's longest-running free outdoor performing arts festivals, and Everyday People, a cultural platform that appears in New York City, California, and Toronto, Canada. The ladies also established key relationships with major international players like streaming giants Tidal and Pandora. Following the release of her latest single, Where I'm Coming From, Lila Ike is this week's face of Tidal's Dancehall Rising playlist. She also has a collaboration with Taurus Riley called Dangerous Waters, which is featured on Riley's latest album, blending life's experiences musically. Savannah is set to release a new track and visuals for her upcoming single dubbed Nobody Man, which launches July 19. Now to news overseas, where Halle Bailey is set to play The Little Mermaid. African-American singer and actress Halle Bailey is officially a part of Disney's legacy, as she has secured the leading role in Disney's live-action version of The Little Mermaid. Bailey, who is part of the R&B duo Chloe and Halle, will play the role of Ariel, the rebellious daughter of King Triton who longs to live on dry land. Chloe and Halle were nominated for 2 Grammys this year, Best New Artist and Best Urban Contemporary Album, and were signed to Beyoncé's Parkwood Entertainment label after gaining popularity with YouTube covers. Nabbing the leading role means Halle will now follow in Beyoncé's footsteps as a Disney actor. Queen Bee voices the character of Nala in the upcoming Lion King remake. Bailey's inclusion in the cast has sparked controversy online by naysayers who argue that the actress is not a good fit for the role due to the original animated character being Caucasian. The Little Mermaid would be a breakout role for Bailey, whose only on-screen credit is as a supporting player on the series Grownish. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.